Hello, what's wangu my people? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I forgot to make an intro for the video, so this is me giving you the intro and telling you what it's about. So last week I went to Karura Forest. My cousin actually surprised me. We went to Karura Forest. It was amazing. Oh my god. Yo, I was one with nature. For real, we were like this. Me and nature, tulikuwa pamoja. We were one with nature, definitely. It was so serene, so scenic, and just beautiful and calm, and literally felt like I was in a different country for some reason. But that's what this video is going to be about. I hope you enjoy the video and the pictures. All the information about Karura Forest I will put in the description box, so in case, I would advise for you to go. Like, listen, being one with nature, it will bring your spirit, it will calm your spirit and bring you new energy, like you breathe in new oxygen or something. So all the info will be in the description box. Don't hesitate to go. It's very affordable, actually, whether you're a citizen or a foreigner or resident, pretty much affordable. So yes, enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Let's say my cousin surprised me to go to, excuse, oh hi please, to go to Karura Forest. Oh my god, it is so serene and so nice and lovely. This is just the entrance. Have a look.
The highway.
We are on the highway. And I'm so excited. The journey has started. Guys, why am I already sweating? We're just walking to the entrance. Oh Lord.
Much needed.
What? This is exercise. For some reason, this girl came back, and now all of a sudden, she's being sportive and eating salads and doing the most.
Oh my God. You better. Hey.
Doing the
I
most.
have always been this way.
Lies. So this is the map. No, I lied. Karura Forest Reserve. So it shows you where you are and where everything is. Entrance is for citizen is 100 bob.
Yeah.
For residents, I didn't check, but I will put it somewhere here. Don't worry. So
everybody.
the journey begins. We just walk and get lost.
We're going down or going up? The second, this is old.
I think this one is closer. Can you walk?
Yeah, what?
Oh, to forest here. K feet. Yeah.
Yeah, does this go to? Come on, it's for
That one,
this
Family
is walk.
Trail and Old Cambu Road.
This must be drive.
Yeah, I think so. These are the rules. No smoking, no littering, no feeding, disturbing, damaging animals, no kids under 12 without an adult. Dogs are allowed on a leash. Visitors are allowed on designated tracks only. Only allowed to use picnic sites after payment or fees. Let's go. Ugh. How can you not enjoy Kenya, guys? Please tell me. Somebody explain this to me. How?
Anybody.
Anybody. So, how are you so far?
Know.
How do you feel so far?
Ask me in the morning.
Okay.
Right now we are strong.
We are very strong. I think when you are going up a hill, that's when you feel it the most. But if you're just walking like this,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yep.
What I would advise you is wear shorts.
Yeah.
Don't wear
In
tights
this weather.
the way that we have worn
In
tights.
this weather, we're strong.
Wait,
Yeah.
you will suffer. Wear shorts, comfortable shoes,
The
and if
best
you have a
even.
sport bra, wear that so you can remove your t-shirt and just walk half naked.
And with the most free place.
Exactly, nobody going to judge
Who's
you.
asking you?
We are seeing animals, guys. Wait, hold on. Can you see it right there? We don't know what it is. I'm whispering. I don't want it to come in.
I've done embuzis.
Like we're literally stepping so softly, trying not to crack a leaf or. On one hand, it looks like a wolf.
It does look like a fox.
A fox. A fox.
But fox don't have the.
But on the other hand, it looks like a goat or a dog.
You know,
But where's the owner?
dicks.
See, now I'm paranoid.
Actually, this one is harmless. This is like almost game meat. Like you see?
Oh, he's looking at us, guys. Oh, he left. We have reached the waterfall. So this sign shows you the fire danger. I think so. So here it is high, I think because it's dry.
And it's hot.
And it's hot. So, and do not litter, guys. I beg, please. Let's go down
Smoke.
the stairs. Oh, we're supposed to walk here. Can y'all hear the waterfalls, guys?
Being one with nature.
Looks nice.
It does.
Are these on the one that do the nini? It's not this one.
The dude.
The one that go, like they go together.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Now we are basically following the waterfalls sound. Sianguke, please. Mm.
You can sit like this. Someone wants to watch the waterfall. Kind of don't have.
I want to remove my feet and just cross. Wow.
Ah, so how will they know? Oh, your butt. Cold. Careful. Those are nice pictures.
You won't slide. Hiya. You're doing it. You're doing it.
I know.
Yani, guys, this waterfall is so peaceful. If you did, the water is so cold, but nice cold because it's so hot. I think there used to be more water, but as you can see, it's just
January is January.
yeah. And since it has not been raining that much, there's not like a lot of water coming down the waterfalls. So yeah, how you feel? Yeah, listen, we are at peace. We are one
With
with
nature.
nature. One with nature. And for some reason, I see a vagina over there. Guys, today for your biology lesson, the vagina. As you can see, we have a hole, right? That's the vagina hole where you have coitus in, right there, and where you put your tampon in when you're bleeding. Up here, we have the pee-pee hole. Let's say the pee-pee hole is here, and somewhere here is the clitoris. Okay. Now let's go down, all the way down. Here we have the right there. That's the booty hole. Am I right?
There.
No, there.
This is the booty hole. This one we don't know what it
right
is
here is
for.
the booty. That one we don't know what it is. As you can see, the woman vagina is leaking.
It's better than most of your relationships.
right? But just a little biology lesson for you guys. I hope you have learned something today. Guys, I would highly recommend you to come here, for real. I know my forehead is shining. Leave it alone. But I would highly recommend, even if you just need a day just to relax, zen moment, just be one with nature. Right? You can bring your kids. I think under 12,
Yeah.
it's not allowed. Yeah, your kids have to be above 12 though. So guys, if you're wondering if they are loose at Karura Forest, yes they are.
I mean, how did you miss this?
We found one. We've been looking for one and praying to the Lord Almighty that you find somewhere that we can
defaced the trees.
almost. And then it's literally opposite the waterfalls, so right there. And there's even a sign that we completely missed, but it's there and it's a latrine. So it's for those who don't know what a latrine is where there's a hole on the floor and you need to squat to pee. But it is very clean. My face is not sweating. I just made my face wet with water, cold water. Because I know I see some drips on my face, but it's water. So yeah, so don't worry about that. The experience at the waterfall is very nice. Oh, I think we stayed there for an hour or so.
More or less, yeah.
More or less for an hour. So now we are going to the
Caves.
and apparently at these caves there are bats. Not
be
bats.
one with nature.
Not birds. The way that, you know, as can you pronounce some words, they sound the same. So let me say it in American English. Birds, not birds, but bats. Okay, bats. So that's why we're walking now. We're walking there now. I feel like for some reason, I feel like I have more energy. I've eaten, I've drunk, I've gone to the loo.
It really does. It's really something like blood sugar.
Our blood sugar was very low. Very, very low.
When we pissed, fine.
They're very fine.
I think that's why. We are happy.
Ecstatic. We have reached at the, well, we're not there yet, but when we go in here, we are going to the lakes. And the layer too, Olive.
I'm thinking of this thing.
Oh, the stairs. There's a lot of stairs, guys. A lot of them. We got this. Dessa is very important for you. If you come to Karura Forest, make sure you have comfortable shoes, comfortable clothes. Bring snacks if you want to.
Survive.
Because this is survival mode if you want to become one with nature. Alright guys, tumefika. And earlier too, you want to go to the caves. Oh, this is not a cave, this is it? Are there bats? No. So this is one of them, small cave. Only the...
So creepy.
Don't think about it, girl. Keep it pushing. Just keep it pushing. So we have reached. Here you go. Oh, this is a cave. Thought there was one that you can actually go inside in. Where are the bats?
Now you want them.
Do bats make noise?
I don't know, but I'm looking for eyes.
See, you see the eyes in the evening. Mama? Okay. So we went to the caves, guys. We walked around like we were following the road, and it brought us straight to the waterfalls where we were. So we have to ponder the stairs again. Now we're walking back because we want to go.
To buy a map.
Yeah. See, you say we get lost and find our ways.
Yeah.
Oh, be one with nature. So now we're going to the butterfly lake, and man, I swear, I hope it's magnificent because this. Anyways, we are going.
But so far so good.
So far so good indeed. Okay, topic, Olive. Tell me why when you're entering a mat
Or anywhere,
guys just don't know how to put on deodorant. Like they smell
early in the morning.
of sweat. Like at 8 a.m. in the morning, you're in a mat or you're walking.
In the morning?
Why did you shower?
Unless if you're smelling of sweat, you better be looking raggedy too. Because
But you cannot
if
be
you're
wearing
a suit,
a suit,
you're clean. You look like you have applied some Arimis.
right?
But you can't apply the... Listen.
Quisha.
Please consider the rest of us. Please. Even us, we apply because we know if we don't...
You will suffer. You will suffer.
You're not gonna like it.
So please, guy, public announcement. Wear deodorant.
Please invest.
We are here. We're going to it. I know it looks like it says 13, but it is apparently 3.1.
1.3.
Oh, 1.3. I have dyscalculus. Butterfly Lake. Olive, that is a real word. Dyscalculus.
Why didn't you tell me? That's what I've had all my life. It has a name for what my condition is.
What is explain your condition?
Ain't no math. Ain't no math. Simple.
Muslim family. Guys, we don't got lost. So Olive is asking for directions because we want to go to the butterfly lake, but here they didn't put signs. They messed up. So we just decided to chill and
Number 17.
drink some afia. Number 17?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for real though, I feel like I lost some pounds. Don't hate. See, hate.
Small trekking.
By the way, jealousy is what do they say?
It's an ugly trait.
Yes.
What about realism? Let's be realistic.
Anyways, haters gonna be haters. Even if it's just 1 kg, I feel like something went off my, like, I burnt the amount of sweat I've sweated. That is calories leaving my body.
Along with bad vibes and energy.
Right? So all that bad vibe and energy, those were calories that I was carrying.
So heavy. So heavy. Eh?
Yeah.
How much lighter do you feel?
Huh?
How much lighter are you feeling right now?
Like 5 or 6 kgs.
Oh, that's a lot of weight. You were carrying on.
I was carrying a lot.
You were carrying.
Very.
There we go. Are you not?
Huh?
Are you not?
Sasa, huyu ametoa viatu.
Very comfortable shoes, guys.
I'm telling you.
That was my plan.
But then, what happened?
Somebody conveniently wore them on the same day.
So, finally, I think we have found the butterfly lake, and we are praying that this is not it. Because first of all, where's the lake?
What lake?
What lake? Mama, we are supposed to keep going.
I think so. Let's go on a rest. Holy fuck.
The heat, guys, the heat.
Sun is
The
this shit?
heat.
Holy.
When you come to Kenya, carry your sunscreen, please. The highest, if you can. Olive, I feel like this is supposed to be the lake. Like, there's no lake whatsoever. So guys, we have ended our trip at Karura Forest. We exited at gate C, right there. So there are different entrances and exits that you can take at Karura Forest. So right now we are at gate C, Kiambu Road, and there's an entrance at gate A. That is Limuru Road, and there's another one, gate D. UN, yeah. So I will share all the details, all the information about Karura Forest in the description box. As we are done, D for done.
We see a bar.
We are seeing a bar, and that's where we're going. So thank you for watching.